I'm really sorry. I'm looking for.
Well, I get this a lot. You're in the right place. Just relax. You're reacting the way many people do. Why don't you just come on inside? Not what you were expecting, eh? I say, doesn't look much like a place for a medical test, does it?
Is this your house?
I'm afraid so. Well, all the equipment's down in the garage. That's the quietest place. It may not seem like it, but it's a lot better than Shelby's office, acoustically speaking.
Well, it's just that I've never taken a hearing test in a private home before.
I bet you haven't. Most people, once they get the headphones on, they forget all about it. If anything, I think it comforts them. At least I hope it does. I'm taking some cookies out of the oven. You want some?
No thanks.
I get it. You don't want to take cookies from a stranger, right?
No, look, I'm sorry. They look very good.
Don't worry about it. I was expecting you, so I baked these. I love cookies. I offer them to people to put them at ease. They certainly have that effect on me. I guess it doesn't always work that way, though. See, you're more nervous now than when you got here. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes you just can't win.
I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just really nervous about the test, that's all.
That's okay.
And I'm not really sure I want to know the results.
I don't follow.
Dr. Shelby thinks my hearing may be getting worse, and we're trying to figure out what the plan ought to be. That's why he ordered the test.
I see.
Maybe he's wrong and it's just a false alarm. Or maybe he's right and I need surgery. Or maybe a hearing aid.
I bet it's a false alarm.
These tests, they're pretty subjective, right?
I wouldn't say that.
But there is an element of interpretation. Do you see what I'm saying?
I'm not sure that I do.
I can't handle surgery right now. I just moved here, I have a new job, I can't take time off for medical leave, and I'm too young for a hearing aid. Surely you see that?
Don't worry. I don't think it'll come to that. But if it does, they make these hearing aids so small nowadays that you hardly
What I
even...
mean is, if there are things in the test, I mean, if you can interpret
That wouldn't do
it,
anybody any good. Especially not you.
it would, truly. I know that generally, well,
I have to
but
give an accurate test.
I'm not saying to lie, just shade things
I have to
a
give an
little.
accurate test. That's my job.
I'm sorry.
I'm Abbott, by the way.
Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Everything will turn out all right, you'll see. Now, you did say that Shelby sent you here, right?
Yes, Dr. Shelby.
You did say that. Just double checking. You don't happen to have the referral, though, do you?
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I should have handed this to you sooner.
Just for the record, you understand. Well, we might as well get started. Are you ready, my dear? Now, I'll be upstairs, but you'll hear my voice just as if I were right here in the room with you. But I mentioned the acoustics are pretty good down here.
You did.
Altogether, the test takes 15 minutes. First we do the tones, then we'll do the word repetition, that's it. Easy. I turn off the big overhead light to cut down on distractions. Is that okay with you? It helps people concentrate. And it tends to get better results.
Okay. sorry about that. I forgot to put them on. Yes, I can hear you.
Well, the test isn't going to go so great if you don't have the headphones on.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Okay, let's try this again. Starting with the tones, okay?
Okay.
You know how this goes. You're going to hear sounds. Sometimes in your right ear, sometimes in your left. Raise your right hand when it's on the right, and raise your left hand when it's on the left.
Got it?
Now, a word of warning, only raise your hand when you hear the tone. If you raise your hand when there is no tone, I gotta mark that down, so don't guess, okay?
Okay, well, I'm ready. But wait a minute, how will you know I'm raising my hand?
I've got a camera. I can see everything that goes on in there. Wave.
I don't really know where the camera is.
Just wave. There, I can see you. Now, no more stalling.
I can't hear the tones if you're breathing in my ear like that.
What?
You're breathing so loud, I can't hear. You'll have to do that one over.
I'm afraid you're mistaken. The only time you can hear me is when I press the mic button. And I don't press that when I do the tones. But fine, I can do it again.
What the hell was that?
Don't get discouraged. You're doing fine.
You didn't hear that sound?
Hear what?
You didn't hear that sound just now?
A tone.
Not the damn tone. It was something else.
Sometimes when people concentrate on hearing something or trying to, they can end up convincing themselves they heard something that's not really there. We can stop the tones just for now. Let's move on to the word repetition. I don't see that there's any harm in changing the order of the tests.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I shouldn't take my frustration out on you.
Don't worry about it. These things are nerve-wracking. I've seen lots of people get flustered. Just don't let your mind play tricks on you. Focus only on what you are truly hearing. Sometimes when people strain to hear too much, they end up with a worse score.
Okay, you're right. I'm ready.
That a girl. Now in this part of the test, I'm going to read a word, and all you have to do is repeat it. Say exactly what you hear. Don't guess, don't change the sounds into what you think the word should be. Just repeat exactly what you hear. Say the word tape.
Okay.
No, just repeat what I say. Say the word tape.
Tape.
Say the word buck.
Buck.
Say the word rug.
Rug.
Say the word cake.
Cape.
Say the word cake.
You already said that one.
Just repeat the word exactly as you hear it. Say the word cape.
Cape. You're gonna have to speak a little clearer.
If there are words you can't hear distinctly, you should let me know
That's
that.
not what I'm saying. Just enunciate the words more.
Say the word pus.
Pus?
Listen to the word carefully. Be mindful of similar sounds like P's and B's.
I'm trying.
Say the word bus.
Bus.
Say the word scrape.
Scrape.
Say the word rip.
Rip.
Say the word flay.
Play.
Say the word break.
Break.
Say the word plunge.
Plunge.
Say the word throat.
Throat.
Say the word skull.
Skull.
Say the word rape. Say the word rape.
Why would you say that? You sure you're reading the word right?
What word?
What you just said.
What was the word? What did you hear?
Rape?
What? I didn't say that. How could you think that was what I said?
That is what you said.
That is absolutely not what I said. I'm looking at the word right here.
I know what I heard.
Well, you heard wrong. That is why you are here, after all.
Well, what was the word then?
Raped. Raped.
Well, I know what I heard.
I read the words from a list that is right in front of me. If you want, you can come up here and check the list.
Well, You could have been mistaken.
It's true, I could have. Or
I could have heard wrong.
I think maybe we should stop. Seems like you're not in the right frame of mind to finish the test today.
No, well, how much longer is there?
We have one more section to do.
Well, then let's finish it.
No, I think you should stop and try again another day.
I'm not doing this again another day. Just finish the test. Finish the test today, please.
In the last part of the test, I'm going to read what will sound like nonsense words. Repeat the words as best you can. Don't try to make sense out of them, just repeat the sounds.
Okay. I'm sorry again.
Hang in there, Sarah. We're almost done. Now get ready. These words are going to sound strange, but just do your best.
Got it.
Now here we go. Say the word dinetule.
Data-ol?
Try to get all the sounds, okay? Say the word cogblay.
Cogblay?
That's better. Now say the word Astaroth.
Astaroth.
Say the word Yogabesh.
Yogabesh.
Say the word Yogabesh.
Yogabesh. Didn't I just do that one?
You're right. Sorry about that. Just do it one more time.
Yogabesh.
Say the word come forth.
Come forth. I thought these weren't supposed to be real words. Is there another door into this room?
No, why?
There's something else in here with me.
Come on, Sarah. What are you talking about now?
I can feel it. Can't you see it in the monitor?
I don't see anything.
There! Something's moving. Can't you see it?
Sarah, are you hearing something?
Hearing it, I can see it. It's moving.
There's nothing moving except you. I can see you and nothing else. I'm gonna get you out of there. You've had enough. Just sit tight. Like I said, just sit tight, okay? Keep the headphones on so you can hear my voice. I'm just walking down the stairs. I'll be there in 5 seconds.
Okay. Hurry. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Abbott, where are you? Are you still upstairs? Are you at the door? Why aren't you answering?
Sarah?
Oh, thank God.
Sarah,
Yes?
why did you lock the door?
What?
Why is the door locked?
It's not. I didn't lock it. I've been sitting here the whole
Well,
time.
the door is locked from the inside. I can't get in.
Where's the
I
key?
think I've got a spare in the kitchen. Let me check.
Get it. Quick, please.
I will. But Sarah, first I have a question.
What?
Is it magnificent?
What?
It may not feel like it right now, but you are truly lucky. Shelby and I, in all our experiments together, I've never been able to see it on the monitor. So believe it or not, I don't know what it looks like.
I don't understand.
Please describe it to me.
What experiments?
It's a shame that you don't listen more carefully. Or maybe you just can't. I did tell you the acoustics down there are quite extraordinary. Of course, it's not the type of acoustics most people are familiar with.
I'm calling the police.
I don't think you'll get any service down there. Let's start this way. How big is it? If you could just give me an estimate.
I don't understand what you're saying. I'm alone in the room. There's nobody here. I'm alone in the room.
Oh, Sarah, we both know that's not true.
What do you want from me?
To be honest, you've already done what I wanted you to do. You said the words.
I'll tell you what. You want to know what it looks like. Let me out of here, and I will tell you anything you want to know.
Sarah, I'm very sorry. I don't think you will ever be coming out of there. You see it now, don't you? I can confess we are engaged in an imperfect science. I'm not entirely sure what it is about to do to you. Sarah, talk to me. Say the word please. Say, help me. Help me.
Thank you. I'll take that cookie now.